Good morning, Southwest Florida. I'm Bri Walling. This Naples Herald Morning Report is sponsored by our friends at Pusilokia of Cape Coral. This morning we'll tell you about an active flu season leading Lee Health to limit some visitors, 13 malnourished siblings found in horrific conditions, and more. Today is Wednesday, January 17th, and this is the Morning Report. Citing the rise in flu cases, Lee Health announced on Tuesday that it would be temporarily banning children ages 12 and under from visiting its hospitals. The restriction applies to Cape Coral Hospital, Gulf Coast Medical Center, Health Park Medical Center, Golisano Children's Hospital, and the Lee Health Memorial Hospital. The organization said that compassionate care exceptions will be made on a case-by-case basis. The Florida Department of Health reported that flu cases are on the rise in the state, with the department reporting 73 outbreaks in the state from the start of the flu season through January 6, citing that statewide flu activity is currently higher than during each of the last two flu seasons. According to the Centers for Disease Control, influenza A, or H3N2, appears to be the most common strain appearing around the country. The CDC believes that the nation is currently facing the peak of the flu season and that it is the worst such season since 2014. But CDC officials say there are ways to limit exposure and reduce the spread of the flu virus, like washing your hands regularly, covering your face when you cough or sneeze, and if you're sick, just stay home. The mother of 13 malnourished children and young adults who were found in filthy conditions and chained to furniture said she was perplexed when deputies arrived at the family's Southern California home. The deputies had been summoned by a 17-year-old daughter who had jumped out a window and called 911. The teen, who was so small that deputies initially thought she was just 10 years old, showed them photographs that led them to believe her story, so they went to the home to check on the family, where local authorities described the conditions as horrific. The children ages 2 to 29 are all believed to be 49 to 57-year-old Turpin's biological offspring. Investigating authorities found no indication of sexual abuse, but said the conditions in the home amounted to torture. The parents were each held on $9 million bail each and faced charges of torture and child endangerment. It was not immediately known if they had attorneys, but they are scheduled to appear in court later on Thursday. Pharmacy giant CVS said it will stop significant touch-ups of images used in its advertising for beauty products. The company said it has the responsibility to think about sending messages of unrealistic body images to girls and young women. CVS Health Corporation said it will not materially alter photos used in stores, on websites, and on social media by changing a model's shape, size, skin, eye color, or wrinkles. CVS will use a watermark to highlight images that have not been materially altered beginning this year. Most of the chain's retail customers are women, and there's a connection between unrealistic body images and bad health effects. CVS is trying to ensure that messages it sends help customers attain better health. CVS has previously made changes in its stores to support broader health issues. It stopped selling tobacco products in 2014, and last year it announced it would remove certain chemicals from about 600 beauty and personal care products by the end of 2019. CVS said it hopes the beauty sections of all its stores will comply with the new unedited marketing materials policy by the end of 2020. And that was the Morning Report for today. I'm Bri Walling. The Morning Report airs Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. right here at naplesherald.com. And don't forget to check out our lunch break that also airs Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Thank you for watching.